You ever notice how the second you pull back, her behavior shifts? She starts reaching out more, paying attention, showing interest again. That's not coincidence, it's psychology. People don't value what's always available. They value what feels selective. Most men get this wrong. They flood her with validation, attention, and availability, and then wonder why attraction fades. In this video, I'm breaking down the psychology of silence, when distance builds desire, and when it just pushes her away. Number 1. Use silence as a boundary. Pulling back isn't about being cold, it's about self-respect. When she's disrespectful, inconsistent, or testing limits, engagement rewards the behavior. Distance removes the reward, but don't abuse it. If she's sincere and trying to fix things, shutting her out doesn't make you strong. It makes you difficult. The point isn't games, it's standards. Number 2. Create space when she's too attached. Neediness kills attraction. When she doesn't give you room to breathe, the energy shifts. That's your signal to step back. Let her feel your absence. Let curiosity do the work. But remember, space builds desire. Rejection builds resentment. Know the difference. Number 3. Don't react to jealousy tests. When she mentions other guys to get a reaction, she's testing your emotional control. Insecure men react. Centered men don't. Stay calm. Change the subject. Keep moving. Confidence doesn't compete, it filters. Number 4. Match her effort. If she stops investing, stop over-investing. You're not here to carry connections alone. Energy should meet energy. Effort should meet effort. Anything else is imbalance. Number 5. Protect your time. Cancelling plans to keep her happy sends one message: your life has no structure. If your schedule has no value, neither does your presence. If she respects you, she'll respect your time. This isn't about ignoring women, it's about controlling access to your attention. Because attention isn't free, it's leverage. If you're done being the convenient option, comment control. Follow for more, and remember, real power doesn't chase, it chooses.